focus on the currency, which was making all kinds of headlines yesterday with the rupee slumping to a fresh all-time low. Now, what are the factors at play? What are dealers saying? Let's go across to Latha for some perspective. Morning, Latha.
Yes, the Tuesday fall was rather large. A 0.5% fall in a single day is not par for the course at all. It is an unusual outlier fall. The reasons are really that there has been a stepped up selling by funds. We saw that 2,900 crores on Monday. We saw another 3,500 odd crores on Tuesday. So that selling normally translates next day into dollar buying. Now, if yesterday's was about 3,500 crores of equity selling, they would come in and buy dollars today. It usually works T+1, and therefore the pressure is expected to continue. Usually supplies come in. Exporters also bring in dollars at the end of the month to pay their salaries, to make their payments. But the converse also happens. You often see PSU banks going out and buying dollars to make probably month-end payments on behalf of oil companies. We don't know. Actually, the month-end activity is usually very strong. So at the moment, markets are still watching to learn from the market. 89 will be targeted by those who are worried that this equity sales capital outflow is just not stopping. And, people also lost somehow at 88.5 because it was once protected and the trade talks, all those had lifted the sentiment on the rupee. People were actually sitting dollar short at this 88.5 positions. All those people are now scampering and coming in and buying. And people who thought that they could book at imports at a lower price are now coming and buying because it doesn't look like it will go below 88.5. The stream of bad news, visa or tariffs and lottery off on H-1B, all these are only negative sentiment, even if the remittances are going to be affected only next year. It is negative sentiment. So 89 will be targeted. The expectation in the market is that the Reserve Bank will come roaringly before that and not allow that number to be broken so easily. So expect something like, not as bad as yesterday, but definitely pressure on the currency.
Yeah, I mean, yesterday did seem a little disorderly in that sense, as you said, a 0.5% move, not usual in any given circumstance. Latha, thank you very much for that, and hope we can come back to you for more during the course of the day if we see some action here.